Apathetic is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Apathetic means showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm, or concern. Apathetic means showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm, or concern. Let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word apathetic. Example number 1. The apathetic students had no desire to learn. The apathetic students had no desire to learn. So there was no interest in learning. There was no enthusiasm about learning. Example number 2. As a father, I don't want to be apathetic towards my children. As a father, I don't want to be apathetic towards my children. I don't want to have feelings that I don't have any interest in them. I want to care about them. I want to love on them. It's important to know what a word means, but it's also important to know how to pronounce a word. Check out at the bottom of this screen how many syllables are in the word apathetic, and also check out the phonetic spelling. Well, let's practice together right now. I'm going to say the word 3 times. Repeat after me each time. Apathetic. 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 Do you like learning new words? Click that like button. I like teaching new words. I want you to get more videos, and it would be a big help for me so that I can continue to make these videos. The word apathetic has a TH sound, and when you make the TH sound, your tongue touches the bottom of your teeth in this situation. Apathetic. And after you do the TH sound, then you'll pull your tongue back in. Apathetic. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. I don't want you to be apathetic about learning English. I want you to have excitement and enthusiasm. And like I said earlier, click that like button and write an example sentence in the comments so that we can continue to practice together.